Welcome back to Cityfunds, the smart way to invest in real estate. Today, we dive into our exit strategy. Your gains are our priority. Cityfunds are designed for realizing your targeted IRR of 18%. Cityfunds are evergreen funds, meaning they don't have a fixed lifespan. But how do investors exit? Before thinking about an exit, it's important to mention that we recommend you plan to invest for at least 2 years. This allows our team to maximize your investment potential. Dividends might come your way, contingent on market conditions and fund performance. Dividends will automatically be reinvested unless otherwise directed. Cityfunds are growth-oriented funds, not cash flow-oriented funds. We've partnered with a secondary market provider offering liquidity and city-to-city trading options at market rates. Before secondary markets launch, we'll have redemption windows. You can sell back shares directly at a set price. Remember, Cityfunds are securities and all investments carry risk. Read and understand the terms. Connect with your investment relations team or download the app to start your journey with Cityfunds today.